Looking for a salad that's satisfying, packed with nutrients, and irresistibly flavorful? This sweet potato kale salad with tahini dressing might just become your new go-to dish. It's the kind of recipe that proves salads are anything but boring. Let's break it down. You've got roasted sweet potatoes bringing warmth and natural sweetness, earthy kale massaged until perfectly tender, crunchy seeds for texture, and a creamy, nutty tahini dressing tying it all together. It's plant-based, vibrant, and deeply nourishing, basically a hug in a bowl. This salad isn't just about flavor, though it delivers plenty. Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber, beta-carotene, and slow-digesting carbs that keep you full. Kale brings iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants to the party. The tahini dressing, rich in healthy fats, rounds it out with a satisfying creaminess that makes you forget it's completely dairy-free. Here's what you need for 4 servings: 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed. 6 cups kale, stems removed and leaves chopped. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. For the tahini dressing, 1/4 cup tahini. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 2-3 tablespoons water to thin. Salt to taste. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Toss sweet potatoes with olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Roast for 25-30 minutes until tender and golden, flipping halfway. While they roast, massage the kale with a pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil for about 2-3 minutes. This softens the leaves and makes them more enjoyable to eat raw. Whisk all the dressing ingredients together until smooth, adding water gradually until it reaches a pourable consistency. Once the sweet potatoes are ready, let them cool slightly. Toss them with the kale, add the seeds, and drizzle the dressing generously. Serve warm or chilled, it's delicious either way. Here's a tip: prep the components ahead of time and assemble when ready to serve. This salad keeps well for 2-3 days in the fridge, making it a perfect meal prep option. Is this the kind of salad you'd crave more than your favorite comfort food?